Good morning, good evening, good day to you. How are you guys? If you're online, go ahead and say hello. So I know you are tuned in. So I'm live on two of my Facebook page. Oh, I gotta turn that down. So I'm live on Blessing Here They Have Vlog. I'm also live on Blessing Trades, and I'm live on YouTube. So I'm currently live in three different places. I did that because we don't have much followers on Blessing Trades, and I figured that I can get as many people to benefit from what I will be talking about today. So yes, all right. So I see Jacinta. Hi, how are you? Joseph, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you. And Mweze Chibuza, how are you? Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate. For some of you that follow me on my personal page, you know that I'm into trading stocks, and I just recently got into cryptocurrency. But my number one go-to or my specialty area is stock trading. And a lot of people have been asking me to teach them and that they are interested. So I thought I should start making some videos. So today we're going to learn the basic, like one of the basic things you need to know in order to be able to trade stocks. And that is being able to understand what candlestick is and how to read a chart, how to read. You can be forex. You can, look at a chart that is forex, cryptocurrency or stocks and be able to understand it. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today. So if you're interested in it, keep watching. If you are not, keep watching. You might still learn something. Okay. All right. Like I said, I'm also live on YouTube. So if you wouldn't mind, if you comment, just let me know where you're watching me from. Are you watching me from Blessing Trades, from Blessing Here They Have Vlog, or from my YouTube channel? So I know, kind of have an idea where you are watching me from. Hi. Hi, Mike. Hi, Max. Hey, Maxi. Oh, Mazi, not Maxi. Mazi, how are you? All right, so let's go ahead and go straight into it so I don't waste your time. I know this is Monday morning and many of you are set to start your business or you are in your office and you don't have much time to waste. So today's lesson is going to be on, wait, I need to share this screen. All right, so today's lesson is going to be on how to understand candlesticks. And no, I'm not talking about, the candle that you light up to, to see in the dark. That's not the kind of candle I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the kind of candle I'm referring to. So if you are into trading, be it forex, cryptocurrency or stocks, you should have seen something that looks like this. This is series or groups of candlesticks. So today we are going to learn how to understand, what this means, how to read it, and what a collection or a group of candle means when we're looking at a chart. Okay. All right. So, all right, so at the end of this video, you're going to be able to look at, okay, so I'm working with two screens. So the one I'm using for this presentation is not syncing like seamlessly with my other screen. So it's a little bit, it lags a bit. All right, so if you're into trading, I'm sure you've seen something like this. Maybe you're just getting started and maybe you've seen this and you have no clue how to read this chart, what it means. This is a screenshot of the chart for Facebook stock. I screenshotted this yesterday. So at the end of this video, you're going to be able to understand what we are looking at exactly. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Oh, hi, Obo, watching from Germany. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. Hi, Mike. Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning. Please speak good English and stop this. You're hi. You're not Oyibo. I'm sorry, sir. I'm going to check. If my name when so many people here now, so I have so many people here that don't understand Igbo. So wait, let me see if I can bring the Nigerian accent. Let me not be speaking for let me prepare my voice. Okay, I'm ready now. Let's talk the Niger way. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the anatomy of candlesticks. So typically, when you look at a chart, you will see some greenish looking things, and you will see greenish looking thing like this, but there will be a collection of them. And so when this stick, I will explain what that means. When this stick is green, we call it a bullish candle. And when it's red, we call it bearish candle. It doesn't necessarily have to be green or red. It could be whatever color you choose. I've seen people use black and white and some other colors, but typically the default color is green and red. So whenever you're looking at the chart, green means that the stock or the currency or the crypto is trading high. The price, people are bidding the price higher, and the price keep going up. So it will start from an open price. Let's say it will start from $2, and people will keep buying and bidding, and then the price will go up. So it will go up in this direction, and the closing price is where the thickness of that candle closes. And then if it's the other way around, if your price starts at the top and then it goes down, don't worry, I'm going to show you guys like a real example, and it will make more sense. So if you're looking at a candle and it's red, most likely, not most likely, it means that the price starts at the top and then it dropped down. So the price is going down, there's open, and then it closes below. Okay, and then sometimes the price will go up, and then down, and then closes somewhere, and that's where you end up with the wicks. So the thick part of your candle is your body. Because I have not done this before, so I'm learning how to navigate between my two screens. All right, so basically, when you have a green candle, that's your bullish candle, and then when you have your red candle, that's a bearish candle. Red means your price is going down. Green means your price is going up. So I'm going to open the chart of Facebook, and then we're going to see real life example of what I'm trying to explain. Okay, so let's do this. There we go. All right, so I'm using yeah, this is Facebook. Oh yeah, so this is Facebook stock, and this is a live chart of it. So I'm going to highlight a portion, and we're going to look at it closely. All right, so I'm looking at a 1 minute chart. So 1 minute right here. I don't know if my screen is big enough for you to see what I'm pointing at. So right here is a 1 minute, meaning that this candle shows the price that Facebook stock traded at. So when market opened, it traded right here at $278. I'm looking at Facebook in dollars. So it traded here, and then as time went on, so this is a 1 minute candle, the price went up and up and up and up, and then it closed right here at the top. But at some point, it also went below the opening price. So it opened here at 278, but at some point, some people sold and bought below that price. That's where you get that wick, that tiny tail we call wick. And then it closed right here at the top. So after 1 minute was over, the next candle started, and then it opened here. So some people bought this stock at $280.60, and then the price went down some, and then it went back up, and then it closed. And then we have another candle. So each candle represents the price that this stock was traded at in the time frame of 1 minute. So let me show you something that is awesome. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this shows how the price changed within 5 minutes. So I'm going to change the time frame from 1 minute to 5 minutes. But before I do that, let's check something. So the lowest we traded was at $278.23, and the highest we traded within 5 minutes was at 281.90. So now I'm going to change my time frame to 5 minutes, and we'll see. All right, so now we are looking at 5-minute candle. So we've taken the 1-minute candle and compressed it into a 5-minute candle. And you can see that the lowest we traded again was at 278 and about 30 cents. And then the highest was at 281 and 90 cents. My distance is not pointing at the exact place, but basically what I'm trying to show you is that you can look at a candle in 5-minute frame, or 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 1 hour or days or weeks. And this candle basically shows you the price of a stock. It could be a price of a currency or cryptocurrency. It's as a function of time. So you have your price, and then you have your time below. Here on my chart, it shows the volume and the RSI. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at Dodge, because Dodge has been getting some attention lately. So let's see what's happening with the chart. All right, so this is the chart of Dodge. All right. Now this is a live chart, and I'm looking at the 15-minute frame. And this shows us the 15-minute candle. So right now the price of Dodge is 53. We can maybe round up to 54 cents. And yeah, I'm looking at 15 minutes. Let's change it to 1 minute and see. All right, so this is a 1-minute chart, and again the price is currently at 54 cents. So at some point, maybe let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the last 5 minutes, the price went up to about 54 cents, and now the price is at 53 cents and some fraction of a cent. So yeah, that's basically how you read a chart. Each candle represents the time at which whatever you are looking at was traded. So what makes the price goes up is based on how high people are bidding this Dodge. So if many people sell or are willing to take any price, the price will keep going down. But if people think that Dodge is worth a lot of money and they're willing to bid up, the price will go up. So right now the price of Dodge is dropping, and it has been doing that for some hours now. For about 2 days, it has been acting crazy. So this is a daily chart. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. I was wearing this thing, it's not zooming in for me. If you're watching me on your cell phone, this might not be big enough for you to truly see. So if you have time, I recommend you watch it on your device. All right, so this is a daily chart. So this last one is what has been happening within the last 24 hours. And then this will be yesterday, and then day before yesterday, and then it goes on. These are daily charts. Let's move this out of the way. All right, so that's basically it. This is how you read charts, and hopefully you understand what candles are and how to read them and how to understand them. So this bluish/greenish candle tells you that the price went up. So on this particular day, the lowest price, or the price that people started buying it, was at 44 cents. And then people stopped at 53 cents-ish. But it did go up to about 60 cents. It went all the way down to 39 cents, but it opened at 44 cents and closed at 54 cents. And then the next day we continued. So you can see that we're having an upward trend for some days, for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For like 6 days, we were having an upward trend. And then, for the last 3 days, the price of Dodge has been going down. All right. Hi, Chi Best, watching from Switzerland. I appreciate you for tuning in. Chibuzo from Dubai. Oh, I feel so special. People are watching me from all over the world. Awesome sauce. Okay, sorry. I don't. No more funny. All right, so I'm going to be posting videos. I will do my best to post videos at least once a week explaining one. Oh, oops, I didn't mean to do that. I'll be posting one video explaining one concept or another. So today we just talked about candles and charts. So if you have any question, please type it in the comment section, and yeah, I will answer them. Question? I need to answer this. Let's see. Hey, Mama Twins of Italy, thank you for tuning in. Nice one, my beautiful queen. Much love from Torino, Italy. I'll never be tired of sharing this testimony. Are you in Europe, UK, or USA, and you are having issue of document delay in childbirth? Oh, this one is advertising. Wait, so what did she say? If the whole world was against me, thank God for the prophetic African to. I don't even know what this is about, but it has nothing to do with what I'm doing here today. So let's go ahead and delete that comment. Sorry about that. Thank you. Oh my God, I appreciate it. All right, so that's all I have to offer today. Like I said, I'll try my best to post as much video as possible. I'm just starting from the basics and then I'll go up. For those of you that are my friend on my personal page, you know that I'm more into stocks than I am forex, but I'm beginning to go into forex as well. But stock is my specialty, which reminds me, I need to go ahead and do my homework and prepare for when markets open. Today being Monday, so I can go ahead and trade some stocks and make some money. So the basics of trading is the same across board, both for forex, cryptocurrency, and stocks. Like when you read a chart, it's the same way you read it in all those three areas. It doesn't change, which is why I decided to make this video, because I know many people are into cryptocurrency and not necessarily into stocks. So my next video, I'm going to talk about different patterns that we look out for when we are trading, like the best time to get into a trade and the best time to exit, how to decide your stop loss and how to decide your profit level and things of that nature. So we're going to be talking about resistance level, support level, and yeah, that's what the next video is going to be. And then we'll talk about the different platforms or exchange that people use. I know the top popular ones are Coinbase, Binance, Trust Wallet, which other one again? Blockchain is pretty good. So we're going to talk about those different platforms and then compare their cons and their pros and cons, and I'll give you my personal opinion on those exchanges and which one I think is the best. So I'm going to be posting video as much as I can. So I will be going on vacation. Well, I'm going to have about 2 months vacation starting next week. So that will give me time to really talk more about this stuff, because it's really difficult having a full-time job, trading, and trying to make videos. Excuse me. It's very difficult to do that. So, but now that I'm not going to be working for the next 2 months, I'm going to have more time to make videos and answer your questions and um, things of that nature. So if you are not following me on Blessing Trades page, please make sure you follow me there, because I want to distinguish the stuff I post on my two different Facebook pages. I know many of the people watching now are from Blessing Ihedioha vlog. My reason for opening that page is entirely different. That's Blessing the Husband Hunter. Now she gets Blessing Ihedioha vlog, so I'm going to leave trading stuff out of it. So if you are currently following me in Blessing Ihedioha vlog, and you are interested in trading stocks or cryptocurrency, and you want to be watching my video, please go and like my page, Blessing Trades. I'm going to drop the link in this video, and then also follow me on YouTube. So YouTube is where I merge the two pages. So Blessing Trades and Blessing Ihedioha vlog comes together under one YouTube channel. So that's all I have. If you have any question, please ask. If not, I have to end this video. And thank you guys for tuning in. I always appreciate you. Okay. Let's see if we have any questions. Jean, Jose, you're funny. Hi, Rose. Thanks for tuning in. I think you came a little bit late. You might have to watch this video from the beginning to see what I just talked about. My cue is, do you trade for people? Wisdom. I have traded for someone before, but that was at the beginning of my journey. Someone gave me a substantial amount of money, and I was trading with the person, and I was making profit. But the deal I had with the person was that I'll be giving him 10%. But the thing is, was that at the end of the month, I was making maybe 15%, and I held true to my words. So I was giving him 10%, which was basically everything. So after 2 months, I was just like, guy, I cannot do this. Hold on to your money. Let me be trading with my money and not be under pressure to make, to get into reckless positions and stuff like that. Because, when you're trying to meet a target, you might see yourself just entering trades that are not worth it. So I gave the guy back his money. So as of now, I do not trade for anyone. I trade with my own money. Maybe in the near future, when I feel confident enough, I might consider trading for people. Again, for those that follow me on Facebook, on my personal page, you know that I'm very transparent. I talk about my wins and my losses and things like that. So I've been doing pretty good. Initially, I was doing just day trading, and then I realized that you actually make more money from doing option trading. It's more riskier, but the riskier the trade, the more or the higher the reward. You know what I mean? So I've been doing option trading, and it has been working out for me. And yeah, I do a lot of homework. I do a lot of technical analysis and stuff like that before I get into a trade. So to answer your question, yes, I used to trade for people, but currently, no, I'm not trading for anyone. Chi-Best, you want to chat privately with me? Sure. My number is on my page, depending on where you are chatting, where you're watching me from. It's really difficult to tell if you're watching from YouTube or from Blessing Trades or from Blessing Ihedioha vlog. They all sort of blend together. But if you want to get a hold of me, you can email me at Blessing. Let me type my email address. Blessing Ihedioha vlog at gmail.com. All right, so you can email me there. And I guess I can release my number. I'm a bit skeptical about releasing my number because when I do that, I get a whole lot of crazy messages. So I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number. So that's 234-909-404-6697. And that's my WhatsApp. All right, there we go. All right, so now you have my email address and my WhatsApp number. Okay. Any more question? What time is it? Ooh, 35 after. Okay. So 5 more minutes. Do you guys have any question about charts and candles? So each individual figure you see here is your candle, and then a collection of it makes a chart. You know, so the thickness is your body, and then the little long stringy end is your wicks, and it basically shows you how high the item traded. It could be stock, forex, or cryptocurrency, how high it traded and how low it traded. You know, the bottom of your candle tells you where the starting price was, and then the top shows you where the end price was. If it's bullish candle, if it's bearish, then like this one I'm pointing at, this one right here, the red one, means that, you know, we started trading it right here on top, and then the price dropped down. And then the next day, I'm looking at a daily chart. The next day, the price started from where the previous day closed, and then it dropped down some more. But it did go high at some point. It went lower at some point, but the last price was at 56 cents. And then, as you can see, Dodge has been dropping for 3 days straight, because we're looking at a daily chart. So for 3 days, Dodge has been declining in price. I do have some shares of Dodge. I'm not trading Dodge, which means I'm not jumping in and out. So I'm going to, oops, my battery is about to die on my other device. All right. So I'm just going to leave my Dodge there for, let it do whatever it wants to do. And the reason why I'm not really in a hurry to sell my Dodge is because I didn't put a lot of money there. I was just trying my luck. So I bought, you know, very small amount of Dodge, and I plan to leave it there for as long as I can leave it there to eternity. I need it to turn to millions of dollars before I will withdraw it. So we died there. Go, we go die there. If you want to let it drop to $0, which one concern me? We go die there. So yeah, like I said, I trade stocks more than I trade cryptocurrency. If it was stocks, before I even get into it, I will know when to leave and when to take my profits. So if I was trading Dodge, I would have since left when I was in serious gain. Okay, so any more question? Doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like it. All right, so let's go ahead and call it a day. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next week. It is possible that I might make another video on Friday to give you a recap of how my week went, on which stock I traded. I'm just going to focus on stocks for now, and then I'll be trading crypto little by little. So I might do a live video going over my trades, you know, where I entered, where I took my profits, and then I might actually talk about how I pick the stock to trade. But that will be later on. Wisdom, you're welcome. You're welcome. All right, now, thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you next time. Bye.